Now, tell me what is this value? 12. N is equal to 12. And what is this value? 11. What is this value? Maturity value. What do you have to find out? Principal. We use the first formula now. I is equal to P. N plus 1 into by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Who is talking there? P we don't have. So 12 into 13 into 11 by 2 into 12 upon 100. Okay, if you want to cancel, no cancellation. 13 times are 143p upon 200. That is I. MV is equal to Pn plus I. That is equal to 12,715 is equal to 12p plus 143p upon 200. Did you follow? Now should I do LCM? Okay. 2400 p plus 143p upon 200. Okay. Then 2 that is how much? 2543 na? 25143. 2543. So 12175 into 200 upon 12,750. This is coming as what? 2543 is equal to P. 25 into 5 will come now. I think 5 directly, so P is equal to 1000. Check, it will be directly. I think it's first one. Okay now. What was the problem? Calculation problem. Yes. What is the else having? Here, these all people are Asit. Why didn't do? No time. Yes. Question number 3. Who is that? Kya bola? Yeah. Who is troubling you? So then you will sit over here. Nobody will trouble over you. Yes. Tell. Read na. How much?
140. For 4 years. If we get 8,090 on maturity.
8,090. 8090.
On maturity, find the rate of interest.
So, what is this 140? Principal. Okay, P. N is equal to 48. What is this 8092? Always read that one and identify, is it maturity value or interest? Sometimes they will give it is as interest. Okay. So read the question and look once again. Is it maturity value? So then MV. Then what was the problem? I is equal to, how much is it? P 140 into 48 into, who is that? Who is that?
So we can directly find the interest by the formula of maturity.
So directly you find the value for
interest.
Then
By maturity.
then you have to use this formula now in any case. No? You cannot without this formula you will get rate of interest you have to find out. What is the question? What do you have to find out? Rate of interest you have to find out or not? So you have to use this formula. I followed what you are telling. Into R by 100. Okay? If you want 12 2s are 24 2s are. Okay? Therefore, this is coming as 28 into 49 into R. No need of multiplying. This is equal to I. And maturity value is equal to how much? Pn plus I. Maturity value is 8092. Is equal to Pn 140 into 48 plus 28 into 49. This multiply, subtract. Okay. Understood or not? Then subtract and divide. Got it? Should I calculate? What is 140 into 48?
6720.
6720. 8092 minus 6720 is equal to 28 into 49 half. No need of multiplying. Subtract. What will you get? 1372 is equal to divided by 28 into 49 is equal to what? 10%. 13,720, na?
1372.
There is one. Hold on. Hold. Where? Hold on. Have you seen there is one problem? Mistake is there. Nobody noticed. This 1 0 only cancel now, so 10 is left out now. Into how much? Into 10 will come now. So this is cancelled. That is equal to. Understood or not? Okay. She is not telling anything. Yes or no? Okay. Then who else having a problem? Anyone having a problem for this one? So banking part it is done now. Yes or no? So all of you can do the banking part now. No. Sarva, which you can do now. Okay, take one write one question. I will tell you what question. Or slowly do. Write the question first. You write the question, then you will come to know whether banking or GST. So what are we trying to tell? Who is that? Okay. So 600 rupees per month for 2.5 years. 600 rupees per month for 2.5 years at the rate of 10% per annum. Return, find the interest and maturity value. Find the interest and maturity value. Right? I repeat, 500 or 600? 600 rupees per month for 2.5 years at the rate of 10% per annum. Find interest and maturity value. Yeah, उधर क्या? One minute more. Maitri,
Yeah.
today you are so excitement, you looking here, there, all these things are happening. What is it? 30 seconds more. You're okay?
Yes, sir.
15 seconds more, I give. Wait. Who's that wait, sir? Shambhavi only. change the mode. Then so that I can look over here only. Viru. All of you stand up. All of you stand up in 1 minute. All boys and girls stand up. Who is looking? Boys and girls. Put your pen down. All of you. Second last step. Achha, second last step means 2 more steps. You know? Please. Please. Okay, please. Those who got the answers, sit down. Is copying it down? Yes. What is your answer? Clapping down. What is the interest? Interest. 2325. All of you got 2325. Yes. Next man. What is that? Maturity value? 20,325. Why it's needed this much time? You tell me. What calculation will take now? Okay. Sit down. What happened? Why you people are so delayed? You sit down now. And your friend, she said banking. Now banking is it. Now, what is the value of B? 600. What is the value of N? 30. 30. And R? 10%. So formula, who is talking there? One Viraj is there, one Ishmeet is there. And after that, next person is my 3. So all 3. Now, P 600 into 13 into, still talking, 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. I can't understand what is the problem. The 6 2s are. Then what happened? 5. That is equal to 15 into 5, 75 into 31. 1. This is very difficult to multiply. Then, and maturity value, Pn plus I, that is equal to 600 into 30 plus that I value, 18,000. 2, 3, 2, 5. Is it so difficult? Why you people take lot of time? Okay. Done. All of you. Next question. Everyone. It's important thing is without mistake you don't worry. Okay. You don't do the others. Now this important thing is without mistake and how fast. It is not fast. It's not the first point. First point is what? Without mistake. Then only come. Okay, that is important thing. You did very fast and answer is wrong, there is no point. That's a waste of time. Okay then. Right. Next question. 600 rupees per month at the rate of 10% per annum, whose maturity value is 24,930. 24930. 3 values I said. I repeat, 600 rupees per month at the rate of 10% per annum, whose maturity value is 24930. You have to find out what? Number of months. Find the value of number of months, n. Or time period. The months means automatically okay. Problem. Factorization is the problem. What is why don't you remove the decimal? Decimal factorization, remove decimal. Here's the answer one. Oh, they would be. You pass now? You do good. Maybe practice well. This is all doing? Show me. That's your doing, no? But I am seeing what you do. Okay. Calculation problem. Okay. Right. Square root. Formula, you will get one formula and problem. That is wrong. What you have to do? B square minus 4ac, quadratic. Finally, you get quadratic also. Yeah. Is anyone getting the answer? What is the quadratic equation you got? What is the equation? Who got the equation? Is what is your equation you got?
602.5 n.
602.5 n. Decimals. Without decimal, you cannot do it. Hello?
Sir,
Don't make in terms of decimals.
Sir, I multiplied everything by 10.
Then also decimal is there. No. Then why you doing barabar? So you tell your equation, na?
25 n square plus 6025 n plus 9972. 9972.
I think there is a problem.
N square plus 241 n minus 997. 9972. 997.
Now look here, all of you. Hey, no discussion. Viraj, listen. What is the inverse formula? P 600 into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. This is the thing first all of you wrote? Yes or no? 0, 1, 60, 12, 5 are. Therefore, don't make into decimal 5n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Is it the formula value you got interest all of you?
Yes, sir.
Was it 2.5? Why we need? Don't make into decimal, leave as it is, my friend. Okay. Then maturity value formula 24930 is equal to Pn. Pn is what? 600 n plus 5n n plus 1 upon 2. This is the one. Now what you do, this one means remove the fraction, means just multiply by 2. If we multiply by 2, what will you get? 0, 6, 8,
9. 4.
is equal to 1200 n plus 5 n plus 1. This much all of you followed? You can see everywhere divided by 5 you can do. So divide by 5, 9 5s are 45. Again 9 5s are 45. 3, 36 means 7. 9972. Okay, this is coming as how much? 2, 4,
41.
0, n plus n into n plus 1, that is same as n square plus n. So your equation is coming as n square plus 241n minus 9972 is equal to 0. According to me, this is the equation.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Which one not followed? This one is multiplied by 2. Okay. When you multiply it by 2, this is multiplied, this is multiplied, this 2 is cancelled. Then this one is divided by 5. Divide by 5, this divide by 5, this one. This divide by 5, 2, 4, 0. This divide by 5 is gone. Left out is n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 is n square plus n. Okay. Then this is added. 240 plus 1 is 241n. Okay. Unship this one. Are you followed now? This much all of you followed? Now, look here. You are not able to do this one factorization. This much you got it now. But I have not seen only one person who book only I seen this question.
Sir.
After that.
So no, sir, really?
Really? Okay, after also. Now look, means out of around 22 students, 2 only can do it. Cheap, fun, decimal, no fraction. Now, if you want to, so look here now. We have to split the middle term. You take this one factorize 9, 9, 7, 2. Will go with what? 2 will go? Yes or no? So only it. 4, 9, 8, 6. Again 2 will go? So only 2, 4, 9, 3. Now 3 will go? 8, 3, 1. Again 3 will go? Yes or no? 2. How much? 7, 7. 9 4 are 36. What now? Got it? Followed how did you get this 36? Product of this one and balance. Generally it will come automatically. Minus 9, 9, 7, 2 is equal to 0. That is n plus 277 times n minus 36. Therefore, is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 277 or n is equal to 36. But this is not possible. The answer is equal to n is 36. That means how many years? 3 years. Calculations. Be careful. Calculations, be careful. Why should you do it? There is a mark. Okay. Okay. Practice. This one, those who studied quadratic equation and quadratic formula, that is again it's long way. Because you have the square of this one, you have to find out, then b square minus 4ac, then it's square root and it's not easy. Don't think that it's easy. For that one, this is easy. Ayan, followed. Hello, raise. I expected some people will get the answer, but nobody will answer. Miraj is talking. Ayan, who is talking to you? But Ajat. Yashmeet, why these people are talking? Your friends only, no?
Yes.
Completed all of you? Since nobody got to answer, I'll give another question. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, 4 years. So happy, no? End only. 4 years. 200 rupees per month. 4 years. 200 rupees per month. Whose maturity value is 11,364. 11,364. 11,364. Should I repeat?
No, sir.
4 years, 200 rupees per month, maturity value is 11,364. You have to find out the rate of interest. This one I expect at least some people should get the most, not some people, almost everyone should get that. I accept you. Don't. What is going on there? She's a buying, real buying girl. Yeah, I'll come to your buying, okay? Pieces is also very good. Stay nearby, in 2 years, your money will be doubled. Not even 2 years. With this bank. What is your name? Those who got 9 is the answer, raise the hand. 57. 57. You put your hand up.
Sir, मैंने कर लिया बेटा.
You also 18.
Okay, करना बाकी है.
Divide. So that you will. Yes, I think this should have been more. It should not make this. Look. Yeah, 9% you know not, but answers are coming late. Another one. Oh, Shahrukh. And doing so this year will happen. Last year. Last year. I is equal to B 200 into 48 into 49 by 2 into 12. If apna phone to aata he could have done very fast. That is it. 4 into 49. No need to multiply this one. If you want to multiply because you will see it was automatically going to divide. MB is equal to PN plus I. If you multiply also no problem. 11364 is equal to 200 into 48 plus 4 into 49 R. This one 40 that is coming as how much? 96.
960.
Those are done. Then subtract. So it is 64. Then how much is coming as?
1764.
17.
The same are not zero.
Then what is the answer you got?
So what the calculation
Cancel. So 4 4s are 16. Again 4s are. Then it is 1. 9%. How did you get 57%? Okay now. A seasonal condition. That is the thing, you know, without mistake you have to get it. And you? हो गया. After 10 questions, then after that हो गया no. You should be. Look here. This. What are your problems? Division. Look now. You check. Now look over here. All of you listen over here. Did I do any shortcuts? Did I do any big multiplications over here? No, I am asking you. Look over here. I had to do over here only one multiplication. That also not required. Second thing, this I had to do another multiplication. 200 into 48. 48 into 96. One subtraction. That is only the thing we have to do now. Why? Some of the people are doing one page full calculations. What calculations are they? You check and you see that one. Am I doing any shortcuts? I am not doing a shortcut. Only formula is not used. That is only the thing. So learn how to do the simplified way. That's very important. It's not that I will multiply and keep it. What is the simplified way I'm getting? Now, today we have done 3 to 4 questions. I think 3 questions I gave, no? Okay, look, and you analyze yourself. How fast, how quick you are. So, not the problem with the formula. Was there anyone faced any formula problem? Identifying the value, nobody faced any problem. Okay, I know the formula, but what to substitute? Identity plus what this I don't know. Where is the problem calculation? So you need to practice accordingly. Okay. So some of you need to improve your speed. Some of you have done. Okay, still better. Okay, this chapter is over. GST is over. Oh, GST today I'm not giving the question right now. Okay. Now we have to go to the next chapter. You do the equations. Shares and dividend. I think it may not be there. Okay, it may be cancelled only. It's not there. If it is there, they can be moved. Okay. Shares and dividend.
So we have the linear equation.
Now we are going to do the linear integration. Shares and dividend. All of you can close your volume. And see now it is the linear integration. Okay. Are you following? Little more speed up. Okay now. You have to practice little more. Now look here. Which means everything is correct now. Close the tool. We have studied linear equations. Do you know what I mean by linear? Linear means straight line. Linear meaning graph is linear means in one line. Linear means always mathematically when it is linear means degree is 1. Linear factor, a factor whose degree is 1. Linear polynomial, a polynomial whose degree is 1. Linear equation, an equation whose degree is 1. Okay. What is that straight line means? The graph when you draw a linear equation, the graph is a straight line. Linear, in that also, that is why it is a linear way, linearly. All are there now? See. Maths. Is your maths? And you did. I did not. Good day. I did. See, I did. Who did? Brother, sister, father, mother. I'll call them and ask. Why you carrying this to the school now? Tell me. Now look here. We have done linear equations in the previous classes. Okay, linear equation has a solution. For example, can you give a linear equation, Viraj? Can you give it? Huh? 1 plus 2. Linear equation, anyone knows? X plus 8 is equal to 7. Anything? Okay, x plus 8 equal to 7. Ax plus b equal to 0. What is the solution? X equal to 7 minus 8, which is equal to minus 1. What is the meaning of solution? The value of the variable. What is the variable over here? X, which satisfies this condition. When x equal to minus 1, you substitute, both the sides will be equal. Minus 1 plus 8, 7. This also says. Okay. Now, that is a linear equation and the solution you got. We are going to do, so now what is the meaning of equation, you know? Anything is connected with an equal to symbol. Anything is connected with an equal to symbol, it is called an equation. And you said it is 1 plus 2 equal to 3, that is an equation you can say. Linear equation means the variable has to go. Okay, now over here, we are going to study linear inequations which are not equal. Not equal, you know how to write?
Yes.
Equal and cancel. This is called not equal. So this not equal, there are different forms of not equals are there. One, two, three, four forms I have written. Have you seen this one any time?
Yes.
What is this? The problem is it less than, is it greater than? We don't know. One of them is less than, if you tell one of them is less than, other will be greater than. Isn't it? Remember this one, less than. If it is less than means this is what? Greater than. This is called less than or equal to. This is called? Okay, so these four, right after reading linear inequations, write the symbols and at least one of them you write less than, any one of them so that later should not be a confusion. Linear inequations, linear, there's a different is writing. Other types, linear, L-I-N-E-A-R. So then right now, then why you open the book? Inequations. Linear inequations. Written?
Yes.
Now, which are the linear inequations, right? This one. One of them write at least less than. No need to write all of them. This is less than. This is what? Greater than. This is what? Less than or equal to. This is greater than or equal to. These are the four symbols we are going to apply. Okay? Written all of you? Okay. First, today we will discuss about not the sums and all, how to simplify, what is the meaning, what are the properties and all, we are going to do this. Okay. Is it done?
Yes.
No. No. Before going to that one, there is another one, the number system. Natural numbers, all of you know? Which are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Denoted by the letter N, capital N. Those who don't know, remember, capital N represents natural number. What is natural number? 1 to infinity, we cannot tell. 3 to 4 dots, 3 dots means it's going on. What is the least natural number? 1. Those who don't know, N is natural number. Remember this letter. After natural number, which is a set? Whole number. Denoted by W. Is what? 0 and natural numbers. Okay now? All natural numbers are whole numbers?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, these all I don't need to. Next set is called integers. Integers generally denoted by Z or somewhere you see I. Yes, Viraj, what are integers? What are integers?
Sir, negatives and positives.
Negatives and positives. Done.
Minus negative.
Minus negative.
Negative infinity and positive.
Negative, infinity and positive.
Till negative.
Till negative. You say 0 also. So 0 is not into consideration.
0.
0 also. What is the sign of 0? Look here. Yeah. Zero is neither positive nor negative. Now listen carefully. Since you said this much, 3.5 is positive or negative? Sure, no?
Yes.
So it is an integer. You said negative and positive zero. So positive. Is it an integer? Yes. No. Don't know. Those who feel yes, raise a hand. Those who feel no, raise a hand. So there is the no neutral people also raise the hand. And some nothing. Hand will be. Okay, look here. So that means division of opinion. 3 point. What is integers? I'll tell. Natural numbers. Negative of the natural numbers and zero. What are integers? We say negative, positive, zero. Its meaning is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Negative of the natural numbers. Which are they? -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. And 0. Is it a natural number? Is it negative of a natural number? So what you can conclude? Is it an integer or not an integer? This is not an integer. Understood? Everyone agreed or not?
Yes.
3 is an integer.
Yes.
Yes or no? -3 is an integer.
Yes.
7 is an integer.
Yes.
0 is an integer.
Yes.
If you have to write this one in the set forms, yes. Okay. It's from, as Viraj said, it is right from the negative side of infinity to positive side of infinity goes on. We cannot start with the least one and this one. Integers. Okay.
Yes.
These are called what? What notation is called set? What type of set is this one? In which form? Builders.
Rooster form.
No, not rooster. Okay. Roster form. Okay. Roster form. Roster form means we write all the elements. Okay. All the elements. These are called the elements of the set. The other form is called set builder form. Okay. Property form. We will write there. We will not write the property. We will write the statement. That element we will write. Set builder form is coming. This much is clear. Between the natural numbers, we can count the natural numbers. Between the integers, we can count how many integers are there. Between whole numbers, we can count. Between any two numbers, how many whole numbers are there, we can count at that. Suppose -5 and 7. How many whole numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Now we go to the next set, is called rational numbers. Do you know what is a rational number? What is a rational number? All numbers will be two sets.
Whether denominator is
When it is not
zero.
Yes.
You said the statement is not there are between these irrational numbers. Number in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. That can be written in decimal form. 2 by 5. It is a rational number. All integers also rational number. 5 is a rational number because 5 can be written in the form of P by Q form. That can be written in the decimal form also. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. That set is not required in equations. Okay. Do you know what you mean by listen now. Rational numbers are denoted by what is the letter is Q. Okay. Do you know what is irrational numbers? Numbers which are not rational. They are called Q bar. Can you give an example? √2, √3, √5, etc. Okay, they are called this one. 5. Next one is called real numbers. Capital R. What is the meaning of real number? Means it is a union of rational and irrational numbers. Between two real numbers, there are infinite real numbers are there. Listen here. Now, between two real numbers, there are how many real numbers are there? Infinite. So you cannot list out. You cannot list out. This will be in set builder form only, like this way. This is equal to Do you know how to read this one? Read. Set x such that x belongs to R, means x is a real number. You cannot list this way. Okay, this much you have followed. The next is how to represent this on the number line. I will explain. Okay, how to represent these all points are there, intervals are there, this one. So these are set you remember. Homework I will not give. Be in the chapter banking is there, no? Huh? Take out your textbook in a Selena. Okay. Take I need at least 5 to 6 questions of banking you have to do it. If you are not done. Selena, there are a lot of questions are there. Okay. 5 questions of the questions you have to do. That's it. Yes. Chalo bye. You will know the you don't know this is you will solve it.
बैटरी बैठ रहा